Are you ready for this? Have I got some news to share with you? Camtasia 2024. Wow. If you want to learn all about the brand new features in Camtasia 2024, then keep watching this video. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Rob Moore from robthemaritimer.com, and I make videos to help you get the most out of Camtasia, edit videos for YouTube, and just generally help you level up your video editing with new cool ideas and using Camtasia. I upload videos 3 times a week here on this YouTube channel, and I host a live stream here every Tuesday at 1 p.m. Eastern. If there's anything you'd like to know how to do in Camtasia, whether you think it's something simple or if it's something more complicated, I can probably help, so you should stop by. The Tuesday live streams is where I answer any questions you have live, and I share my screen while I demonstrate in Camtasia. Also, if you have any questions about the YouTube videos I uploaded that week, the live streams are a perfect time and place to ask them. I'll even show you how I made and edited my videos, as I make and edit all my YouTube videos with Camtasia. Now, let's talk about Camtasia 2024. I had the absolute pleasure of meeting with the folks at TechSmith yesterday, and I'm super excited to share all the new features that they showed me that are included with this major update. There's some really cool stuff with this new release, and one particularly huge new feature that I can't wait to tell you about. I've been waiting for this for a long time. On or around June 4th, TechSmith will be releasing the brand new version, Camtasia 2024, and you'll be able to download it then. I say on or before because they're basically working night and day to get things finished up and ready for that date, so there's always the possibility of a slight delay, but the plan right now is to have it available the morning of June 4th. To find out what all the new features are, and more importantly, to see them demonstrated live, I encourage you to join me in my Tuesday, June 4th live stream. I'll be doing a full live walkthrough of all the new features of Camtasia 2024, and of course, answering any questions you may have. In the next day or two, I'll receive full access to the pre-release version of Camtasia 2024, so I'll be able to test everything out and learn how to use all the new features, so when I go live on June 4th to show them to you, I'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Like I said, I've been waiting for some of these features for a long time, and I'm happy to say that you will not be disappointed. So subscribe to this channel if you want to learn all about the new Camtasia 2024 features, and watch for when I set up the YouTube live stream for June 4th. I'll likely set it up a few days in advance, so if you subscribe, you'll be notified when I set it up. Then, once you see it, you can click to be notified when the live stream is about to begin. If you're a longtime user of Camtasia, you won't want to miss this, or even if you're brand new to it and just getting into video editing. Camtasia is the easiest video editing software to learn, and the only one with fully integrated and highly advanced screen recording capabilities, if that's something you want to add to your videos. And in the meantime, drop into next week's live stream for more Camtasia tips and tricks, and watch for 3 or 4 more new YouTube videos on Camtasia before the June 4th launch date. That's it for now. Again, my name is Rob. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, or in a live stream. I'll see you soon.